As I started to have a conversation with God, and I started to say, Heavenly Father, I am in a bad way. Feel like you're encased in cement. So this arm was stuck, these legs were stuck. My mind shifted very quickly from that to, does anyone know that I'm here and how am I going to survive?
I started freaking out. They were able to take my location and get a snapshot of it and pinpoint pretty much where he was.
This magic period of getting recovered is 15 to 30 minutes. And so I'm having this unbelievable, he was buried for 4 hours. And I'm thinking to myself, wow, like, the math doesn't add up. The thing that I was hoping is that I'd get to see her and my 4 kids one more time. They were the only thing I thought about.
Because I was literally praying, screaming out loud. Not now. Now is not the time. I need him. We need him.
So I got a bone graft, I got 7 screws, and I've got a plate. The surgery team were the ones that said, you're our avalanche man, you're our miracle. I'm Miracle Mike the Avalanche Man, if you want the full title.